Hello team, my name is Chris and welcome to KMO University. Today we're going to talk about scrubbers, more specifically daily maintenance with your scrubbers to keep them running at peak performance. Let's get into it. First thing we're going to want to do before we start our shift is make sure our batteries are fully charged. If we don't have a fully charged machine, we're not going to get very far. Once we've determined that we do have enough voltage in our batteries, we've charged enough, we just want to do a quick visual inspection of our batteries, make sure we don't have any corrosion on our terminals, make sure there's no leaks or anything like that. Next, we want to take our pad driver or brush off and do a quick inspection of it. If our pad is dirty or has any debris, we want to make sure we clean all that off before we get started. Once we've got our pad clean and ready to work, we'll just reattach it to our pad driver. Another good tip is pads for smooth floors, brushes for textured floors. Next thing we want to do is we want to check our squeegee blades. We want to look for any kind of wears, any kind of damage, or any debris that may be trapped up in there. Now that we've made sure all our components are working correctly, we want to fill up our solution tank with our proper chemical. And also make sure our recovery tank is empty. Now we're ready to clean. There's a few things we want to look for as we're running our machine. One, we want to listen out for any odd noises, weird vibrations. We do want to check behind us, make sure we're not streaking and make sure we're picking up efficiently. If you notice any of those things, stop immediately and let's address those right now. Last thing we want to do is scrub a whole floor, turn around and see we got streaks everywhere and got to scrub again. Now we're going to move to post-use checklist. This is the most vital component of everything we've talked about today. Obviously, we're going to drain all of our recovery water out into a floor drain. Pro tip, always keep this above the solution tank when we open it up, as it is gravity fed. If we open this down here below, we could get some nasty water in the face, so be mindful of that. Next, we want to make sure we rinse out our recovery tank really, really well. Also, our solution tank, to get any residual out of there. Just rinse this out really, really well. And when we store it, we want to make sure this recovery tank is open so it can air dry. That's going to prevent a bunch of nasty odors, mold, and mildew. We also want to check our float valve, make sure there's no debris in there, clean that out really well. We also want to take off our pad driver or our brush and clean that out really well. You can take these over to your mop sink, spray them off really well with hot water, leave it upright to kind of dry. Take it off the pad driver if you want, clean it, leave it to the side for the next shift. Take our squeegee assembly off. We're going to rinse this out really well, wipe it out really well. Again, check for any damage anywhere. And then make sure this is also stored in the upright position so it can dry as well. So once we've drained and cleaned the inside of our machine, we want to clean the outside of it, make sure there's no chemical buildup anywhere, and just give it an overall wipe down. Keep it looking good, keep it looking clean. Lastly, she's ready to be put up for charging. Take her over to your station where you're going to charge. Simply plug her into the wall. Again, solution tank needs to be exposed to air. And if you've got an onboard charger, we want to make sure that solution tank leans back so all these batteries right here can kind of breathe and not get too hot. In years past, I would tell you to monitor the charge to make sure once it hits 100%, we cut off that charge. Good news is the majority of scrubbers out there incorporate smart charging, so you don't have to worry about that. Plug it and forget it until your next shift.